Are you working in export import and still earning only 20,000, 30,000 or 40,000 per month even after several years of experience? Do you feel that your salary is growing very slowly compared to professionals in IT, finance or supply chain? If your answer is yes, then this video can completely change your career direction. Today, I'm going to share a practical salary growth roadmap for exim professionals from fresher level to senior management level. I will explain what salary range you should expect at each stages, what skills increase your market value, and how you can double or even triple your salary in the coming years. So watch this video till the end. Part 1: Why most exim professionals get stuck. The biggest mistake most exim professionals make is that they focus only on documentation. For years, they continue preparing invoices, packing list, shipping bill, PLs, and other export-import documents. But the market does not pay higher salary for documentation alone. Companies pay higher salaries for professionals who can handle international customers, manage supply chain, understand trade compliance, reduce logistic cost, handle customs and DGFT matters, and drive business growth. That's why many professionals remain stuck between 25,000 and 50,000 per month, despite having 5 to 8 years of experience. Part 2: Exim Salary Roadmap. Now let's understand a realistic salary growth roadmap. Stage 1: Freshers to 2 years experience. Typical range salaries 20,000 to 35,000 per month. And the focus area is documentation, Incoterms, export import process understanding, and basic ERP knowledge. Stage 2: 2 to 5 years experience. Salary range 35,000 to 60,000 per month. And the focus area is customer handling, freight negotiations, banking and LC operations, and shipping line coordination. Stage 3: 5 to 8 years experience. Salary range 60,000 to 1 lakh per month, and the focus area is end-to-end shipment management, team handling, cost optimization, and compliance management. Stage 4: 8 to 12 years experience, and the salary range is 1 lakh to 2 lakh per month, and the focus area is strategic sourcing, supply chain management, leadership skills, and process improvements projects. Stage 5: Senior management salary range 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs plus annual package. In this stage, companies pay for your business impact and leadership capabilities. Part 3: High income skills that increase salary. Now let's discuss the skills that can accelerate your salary growth. Skill number 1: Advanced supply chain management. Skill number 2: International trade compliance. Skill number 3: Customs and DGFT regulations. Skill number 4: SAP, ERP and digital supply chain tools. Skill number 5: International business communication. Skill number 6: Data analysis and reporting. Skill number 7: Leadership and team management. The reality is simple. Companies don't pay more because you have more experience. Companies pay more because you solve bigger problems. Part number 4: My career growth formula. Based on my experience of guiding exim professionals, I follow simple formula. Learn, apply, deliver results, get recognized, and negotiate better opportunities. Many professionals continuously learn but never showcase their achievements. Remember this: your salary grows when your market value grows, not when your age grows, not when your years of experience grows. Now I want to know your current situation. Comment below how many years of experience do you have and what is your current salary range. If you want to personalize roadmap for your career growth in export import, connect with me, and remember, your career growth is not determined by your designation. It is determined by the value you create. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. I'm Sachin Kradmal, your exim career coach, and I'll see you in the next video.